All right, for stuffing, onions, green peppers, and celery. It smells so good, I can eat it just like this. Melt a whole stick of real butter. All right, so we add some salt and pepper to the vegetables and some more butter. Potatoes and eggs for potato salad.
She drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. Oh, I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it.
Chocolate cake, cocoa powder, baking, what is it? You just have and flour, sugar, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, salt, espresso powder. So that's cool. So that's what we got now. Alright, so we're gonna mix that. What happened? We're gonna add milk, vegetable oil, eggs. We're doubling the recipe, so 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 4 eggs, and 4 teaspoons of vanilla, or 2 tablespoons of vanilla. This is how it looks like when you mix it up. So these are dry ingredients. Now we're going to add the wet.
Nobody tomorrow, 'cause tonight that I give you everything. Music knocking till the morning light, 'cause we like to
drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me.
So now we have to add boiling water. Reduce heat and carefully add boiling water to cook batter until well combined. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hot chocolate. Alright, so here's how it looks after the boiling water. My sister said we had to put that in there because of the espresso. Here's the thickness of it. picture of the cake we're making. And we already mixed it. Wash your foil pans. Dish liquid and water. And we're going to put some, we're going to grease the bottom and put the cake in there. And it bakes on 350 for... this away for tomorrow. We'll add the broth in tomorrow and bake it, but the flavors are so delicious. All right, let me put it away so I don't eat it all. We got onions in here. Want to add garlic cloves.
So you don't want to overdo it.
Yeah.
Either way,
You can squeeze it out.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good. That's really good.
Homemade cake from scratch.
All right, so the cakes came out. It's so good. And so now we're about to make homemade icing. So potatoes for the potato salad. Celery, onions, and garlic for the potato salad. Eggs for the potato salad. Cups of butter. So this is a half, that's a half. So 1, 2, 3, 6 sticks of butter. We're putting in confectioner's sugar. Icing, you know that? Of these 4 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of that espresso.
Pay attention. Look at the stuff. You gotta get the stuff on the floor.
We can chill, we can smoke. Me and you, all alone. Anything that you want, I know it's gonna be good.
Love you, Mom.
Love y'all.
Sweetest thing ever known.